Hello and welcome. In this video specifically we're gonna go into YouTube channel customization. So the very basic. So let me just start from the very start. So if I'm gonna come there, if we click on this icon, you're gonna see your icon when you open your YouTube channel. I actually suggest you do this from very beginning. I'm just doing now when I have more than 50 videos and I did not do any SEO because was building out a course and I will need to redone loads of things because I did not put QR code on the video, so I did not take advantage from what I'm teaching. But now I redesign, rebranding, and everything gonna go out. And one of the first things that you do when you open your YouTube channel, create your YouTube channel, is you need to customize. So click on your channel. I'm gonna leave this page. I will just redo everything. Then when you click on your channel, simply click on customize the channel. So as you can see in the name, uh, it's Strategic Income Launchpad 2024. So I'm gonna just quickly go through all the basics so you know exactly what is what. So eventually you're gonna create your for trailer for your channel, what's gonna come as the first video that you will be able to add here. Then the featured video for returning subscribers, when someone can subscribe, when they gonna return to your channel. That's another video what gonna be highlighted for them as a feature. Then for you viewers, that's when your video gonna be recommended to other people with similar who watching similar content. There in more settings you can either have for videos, for shorts, for live streams. I suggest you leave all content because that's the best how to attract the most subscribers. Then for featured sections, you can add what would be the featured sections. We're gonna touch that in another video lesson just to save time. So let's go for the branding. On the branding side, as you've seen in other videos, I had the different logos, so I uploaded the logo so it goes more with the satisfaction roadmap. There you can change, you can remove, and just upload new ones. The same for banner image, and there when it comes for watermark, keep on the entire video. So it's just a small bit at the corner, but your branding gonna go with. Now the basic info is the first what you need to as well. Make sure that it's from very start the way you want. So I'll just gonna change this to online income roadmap 2024 to rebrand myself. Obviously there should not be spaces. Then the next thing, I already asked ChatGPT, but I would copy the name. I would go to ChatGPT, and as you can see, I asked, can you write brief destination for YouTube channel with the name Online Income Roadmap 2024. It's done. I'm just gonna copy that and come back to the channel itself and paste that in. Obviously, I can add more languages if I'm talking in more languages. Anyway, it's gonna be some more advanced section of the course where I'm gonna show you how you can turn your video in 150 different languages, so you can actually create your YouTube channel and make it massive, so you reach audience as well in other languages where you even don't speak. But that's using AI. That's another course, another section, so stay tuned. Then adding link. Obviously, I want to add link as well from very start, so every person who visits me, as you know, we creating this for niche specific, so let's put the links everywhere where we supposed to. So the link for me is this one. I'm just gonna copy. That's the link where people can join the workshop. So I'll just gonna paste that in, and there would be online income workshop, but basically I'll showing step by step how you can generate income in 2024 and all and everything what's necessary. Here for the email, I would add the email. I will add a bit later, so just to save time, but that's pretty much it. This is all about the very basics. Press publish, it goes live. I'm gonna come back with the email, but that's the very basics how you set up your YouTube channel. So yeah, stay sharp and I'll see you on the next videos.